welcome to Geek Decoders YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do beginner tutorial number 9. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more Power BI videos. So today the tutorial is how to get the top 10 records from the data source by using top index function. So that is the tutorial that I'm going to cover today, and also I'll be covering a little part of the order by statement as well. So we'll see how we can do that. Right, so this is the top index function documentation. If you go to the documentation Power BI, so then you can search top n, so then you will get this function. So basically it returns the top n rows of the specific table. So when you go to the syntax, it is top n, then n means the number of rows that we want to get, and then table, the source, data source, and then we can give a order by expression. So once we give the order by expression, it will basically sort the source table and give the output. So let's see how we can use top n function to get the top 10 records in Power BI. Right, so here is my Power BI dashboard, and as you can see, my Power BI dashboard consists the student marks. So it contains 4 values: month, name, subject, and marks. So here what I want to get is the top 10 marks in any subject, the top 10 marks. So let's see by using the top n function how we can achieve that. Right, so first I go to the data view, and here is my data view, and then I create a new table. Right here I type top 10 marks, and here I use top n. So as you can see, if you use top n, so it eventually show you what sort of values it required. So it use n values, so I select 10 here because I want top 10, and the data source should be sheet 1. Right, so without order by, so let's test this how the data would appear. Right, if you press enter, right, as you can see, it just returns some top values, but the marks are not the top 10 marks as I want. So then I have to write an order by statement here. So if you select here, so we have to write order by. So here I order by sheet 1 marks. So then I have to give the order as descending. Right, let's see what would be our output. Right, so as you can see, now I got the top 10 marks, but this is not yet ordered. Right, in here, once we use this order by statement, what will happen is the sheet 1 records will get ordered and give the top 10 output, but here the new table, the records are not yet ordered. So we'll see how we can order that. Right, so here one observation. So even though if you have selected 10, it received around 13 records. It's because of this reason. So if you sort this in this way, descending, as you can see, there are 4 records for 78. So that's why it received around 13 records. So as you can see, if the last one is repeated, so it displays all the records for that. Right. Right, I go to the report and my table is there. So I select a table view. Right, so then I put all the fields here: marks, month, name, and subject. Right, so now I'll try to format it by using the format. Right, right? So same output I have received as this one, so by using the format painter. So here now the marks are not yet ordered, so for that I select this one. I select marked as the last one, last column, right? Here there's option, more option, so you have to go more option, and you have to go, it is set as descending, so here you have to go sort by and you have to use marks, right? So as you can see, now the top 10 marks comes in a order as I want. So this is how we use top n function to get the top records by using the order by statement. And here once we come to the report, and if you are displaying it in the report, so you can display or order those records by using here in more option, right? So I hope you have learned top n DAX function and how to use it to get the records, the desired records, right? So thank you for watching my video, and please keep in touch for more Power BI videos, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.